So before you replace your carpet, you're going to want to hear about this. Hey, I'm Travis Daggett with Cornerstone Properties in Eugene, here with Adam at Adam's Carpet Cleaning. And boys, just, I don't know, within the last few months, I heard somebody talk about hot water extraction in carpet cleaning and why that's such a big deal. So got together with Adam, and the first question that I really had or have for him is just about looks. I've flipped about 50 properties and of course lived in houses with carpet, and there's just some nasty looking carpet and some stains. And most of the time I just say, can't get it out, gonna have to rip it up. So first question, Adam, how about looks, stains, how carpet looks, torn, whatever? What can you do with that kind of situation?
So my cleaning process, it's actually a two-stage cleaning process. Or first we pre-vacuum, and we have a special vacuum cleaner especially for pet hair and pet danders. It's called a counter-rotating brush. The bristles are about 3 inches versus a regular vacuum. It's only about this big. And what that does is it digs into the carpet pile, and it actually pulls up pet hair, danders, just the large stuff. And what that does is before I steam clean it, I like to get all of the loose soils and hair out of the carpet, and it produces a better outcome, a better appearance. So the two-stage cleaning process is we pre-condition and pre-spot. A lot of carpet cleaners don't do that first step, and this is essential to remove the spots and remove the stains. Is pre-treatment with a preconditioner, and also pre-spotting for the areas that need it more with a special solution based on what the spot is. So after that, we steam clean it with 200 degrees of water, and we also do dry passes. So it gives it a nice even look, and the customers are pleased. We also, for burns or stains that we can't get out, I'm actually able to seam a new piece of carpet over the area, and I also give a lifetime warranty on all of my repairs. Also, for delaminated carpet, say there was a water flood or something like that, I'm actually able to repair the backing of the carpet and glue it back together, and it's actually even stronger than it was before. I give a lifetime warranty on it.
Wow, cool. So a lot of good information. We're going to talk more about some tips and tricks and different kinds of things that Adam can do in carpet cleaning. So again, Travis Daggett, Cornerstone Properties, Adam with Adam's Carpet Cleaning. If this was helpful, please like it and share it. Thanks.